What is good, everybody? Man, it's your boy Jay in the building. We is back again with another one. Shedeur Sanders has his own barbecue sauce. And I just want to say this, man. Shout out to all the young entrepreneurs, man, especially with you while you're in college. Yo, let me tell you something, man. These NIL deals are the best thing to ever happen to college football. You know what I'm saying? And because for years, with us college guys, you know what I'm saying, being shown on ESPN every week with their jerseys being sold without them reaping the benefits at all. You know what I'm saying? And camera crews following them, and we seen ESPN. We're seeing the NCAA reaping all the benefits that these players should have been benefiting from. You know what I'm saying? Like, imagine Johnny Manziel with an NIL deal back then. Imagine Reggie Bush, Tim Tebow back then, Vince Young. Like, can y'all imagine the type of deals they would have gotten if the NIL deals would have existed then? So it's really good to see, these kids, man, just reaping the benefits, of their hard work, man, and the fruits of their labor, dog. It's real dope. But so Shedeur Sanders put out a video, of him, I guess, showing off his new barbecue sauce. So I actually want to watch it, and I want to find out how it went down. Then we're going to watch the commercial for it. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get this thing started, man. I'm super proud of him. This is super dope. This is super dope.
Beats, because I don't need folks to beat my ears down, man. You feel me?
He's the one.
I don't need folks to beat me down, man.
I like what he's doing.
Yeah, for
I
sure.
made my lunch break for you. I'm so excited.
You at lunch right now?
Yeah, I'm at lunch. I'm an early childhood teacher. Hey, get us. This about to be my new bro.
We is not doing nothing wrong.
Give me some of that, man.
Coming in studio.
Give me some of that, man.
State bookstore.
At the bookstore?
It's legendary, man. I don't know another college player doing it.
Excuse me.
To be honest.
That's crazy.
Come on, man.
That's crazy.
What this is, man?
There you go, BBQ.
BBQ.
Can I order it online?
You see that?
Can I order it online?
I got the card.
Available now. Yeah.
That's saucy.
I'm in the car.
I like that, man. That's crazy.
Shawty having barbecue sauce in the store, man.
Yeah?
Just like your album gets sold in the store, his shit gets
That's
sold in
crazy.
the store, man. Come on, man. Hey, P. Oh. He ready to go in the pop it on you real quick. He having barbecue sauce. He having barbecue sauce in the store,
I'm
too.
handling my business. Yeah.
I need some of that, man. I need that. I need that.
Hey, you and Uncle Willie there. Get your goddamn brother barbecue shop there. Y'all
Hey, he's spectating.
Ready, man?
Hey, why he spectating like that?
He
man?
said, nah, he said he hadn't hit business no car. He said he hadn't hit
I'm
business.
not saying she ain't go brother barbecue sauce. You and your brother, y'all go brother barbecue.
Hey, tell him. Hey, when he come to Jackson, man, he got to check in. Let him know, man.
Oh, man.
Hey,
But nah, two ain't hadn't hit business though. He got barbecue sauce though.
Nah, I'm proud of you, kid. Nah, that's a bar. I'm proud of you, kid, man. That's a bar, man.
I like that.
Nah, for real, he overhanded his business, man. Barbecue sauce in the stove, man.
And let me tell you what I'm saying. That shit better be good. Your cheese on that like that. Better be good, man.
I'm getting me some of that. I need that. I need
How
some
much
of
it
that.
is? How much it is?
Go check the price. I just do the business.
About 15, ain't it?
I don't know.
Oh, he got it.
Oh, yeah, I know the price.
I'm gonna just buy a barbecue sauce just to support my man. You hear me?
Hey, man. Nah, I think it's like 8. Yes, 8.
This is the number one right here. Don't play with him.
Come on, man. Legendary.
Forever Tiger.
Come on.
You see it?
I'm all the way from Virginia. I drove down here just to get a t-shirt.
Come on, man.
Oh, what? Damn, from Virginia. Nice. I need some of that, man.
I appreciate it. Hey, good job. I watch y'all.
He drove from Virginia. God, dog.
Promotion ceremony for one of my soldiers tomorrow, but it's one for that.
Okay, then.
But I'm watching y'all every Saturday.
Okay, cool.
Hey, good luck.
I flew from Connecticut, though. I didn't drive, but I flew all the way from Connecticut to go to the game.
So, man.
You know what I'm saying? So
Support too, man. Go
I don't know
get
how much credit I get for
man. To the
that.
stove, for real, for real.
Right now we're in the Student Center, Jackson State University. We're on campus right now. It's legendary.
Legendary, man. That's legendary.
You see Tony, he got on his headphone right now.
Okay.
He handling his business.
You gotta support him though. For real, y'all gotta support, man.
Hey, I don't need all
See that?
What you trying to do? You act like this go fund me or something.
I didn't get a chance to eat that car.
Go fund you.
Nah, this ain't that one. Huh?
And Tony Icy too.
No, I'm just saying, like, I get the message, but you.
I'm too much promote. I'm promoting too much.
Nah, what I'm saying, you said that about 5 times. You ain't gotta beat the viewers' ears down.
You gotta let you see, cuz.
Oh, he trying to see the reunion.
Let me see something.
Well, I can go run into that wall.
Well, I bet he is like, he is the man on campus. Like, he is the man. You see how you see him move out the way? You gotta move out the way. You gotta move out the way when he start through.
Thick out here in this line.
That's crazy. Yeah, Chick-fil-A in there?
Check him out, though. Check him out.
Why I didn't see that?
Why you gotta? Hey, answer this. I got a real question though. Hey, Tony. Why you not wearing what I'm wearing?
Walk off on
Okay.
Jackson.
It's real, brother. This was okay.
Are they gonna show us them on campus? I wonder what's happening.
And the people love you, bro. Alright, so look, let me get a
You got a Chick-fil-A at Jackson? Why didn't you see this?
I've been waiting on her, baby.
Oh, what's wrong with her? She a nice lady.
Hey, how y'all doing? I'm taking your order.
Okay, my fault.
You gotta make sure it's the food. I'm gonna be
And use the barbecue sauce in the chicken?
No pickles.
I'm by your food.
Add cheese and bacon.
Hey, you got my food. You want American?
Make sure you use the barbecue sauce in the chicken.
What else you want, baby?
Large fry.
Large fry?
And the,
Can I get you waffle and large fry right here?
Hey, she funny.
Hey, we love y'all.
Nah, she funny.
My grandma used to feed
Got Chick-fil-A on there.
Yeah? I heard that before.
Eating light. The nerve of you eating light, man. The nerve of you to eat light, my boy.
So like estimated wait time. So like you think like 5 minutes?
Hey y'all, welcome to JSU Tiger Land. I'm representing, baby. I've been here 20 years around the thing, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie.
20 years?
Fan. My grandma fed these folks. Hey, uncle in the band.
Wait,
You know what
20
I'm saying?
years.
Cooking down here. I've been here 5 years ago, you know. I ain't worked 2 years. I'm back to put it down for y'all. I come just be close to y'all. And then what channel they supposed to be on? I want to see this shit.
It's on YouTube. It's a vlog.
Oh, really?
Oh, God, that's crazy.
I represent these boys.
It's on YouTube.
And y'all, do y'all know women play football?
You gonna watch it on your TV at home?
I'm gonna watch it tonight a few minutes ago.
It's gonna be out tonight.
Y'all know it tonight?
Yeah, on YouTube.
Okay, I'm gonna be on there, girl.
Oh, God.
I represent Thailand.
Just now leaving the student center. Got some good food, good drinks. Y'all make sure y'all get the barbecue sauce. Like, comment, subscribe.
I need to order that. Alright, so now we are here to check out the commercial. So let me see what we talking about. I want to see like how he presented this.
Number 2 barbecue sauce. It's smooth. Then it gets a little spicy. So, you know, I feel like that's how I play. I'm smooth, but then when we score in the end zone, you know, it's always a party.
It's always a party, huh?
To have my own barbecue sauce is extremely important. Barbecue sauce only. Number 2. You lit it. You can purchase your number 2 barbecue sauce at plbsc.com, participating Kroger's, and JSU Bookstore.
I remember that. All right, I will remember that. I am going to order some barbecue sauce tonight, my brother. And let me just say this, man. Yo, it don't matter where you go. It don't matter who you are, bro. If you like that, you can get anything you want. And especially in today's world where, you can make money doing absolutely anything with the personality. You know what I'm saying? So, and look, even if Shedeur Sanders doesn't make the league, if he doesn't play professional football at all, he damn sure getting paid like it now. You know what I'm saying? So, especially with the guys who have NIL deals, even if they never play professional sports, they at least have enough money to hold them over to I guess pass them by until they can find them, their careers and such, man. But this is absolutely wonderful, and it's good to see college athletes reaping the benefits of their hard work, man. Because you look, if you got personality and you're shown and people love you, you can get anything you want in this life, man. So shout out to Shedeur, man. Yo, he really, really, really doing this thing, man. And I'm proud of him, especially as a young black man getting money. I love that. I absolutely love that, man. So shout out to him, dog. It's absolutely amazing.